Welcome to qnawire.
Hello, as in this question, psi is given as here A into 1 minus of 2i and 2. This one is 2 cross 1 matrix here. So in the first part here, we have to find the normalization constant A here. So to find the normalization constant, as we know that psi star into psi is equals to 1 here. So as psi star can be written as here A star into, as when we conjugate this term here, we can write it as here 1 minus of, as 1 minus 2i can be written as here 1 plus of 2i, and this one is 2 here, and row will be changed in the column. And next one is psi star. So as psi is equals to 1 minus of 2i and 2 here. So as this one equals to 1 here. So by simplifying this, A into A star can be written as here mod of A square here. And when we multiply these terms here, so 1 minus of 1 plus 2i multiply with 1 minus of 2i here, and 2 is multiplied with 2 here, so plus 4 here. This value is equals to 1 here. So by simplifying this expression, as this one is value here mod of A square, as this term is equals to 1 into 1 equals to 1. 1 minus, as here is plus 2i minus of 2i, when plus 2i multiply with minus of 2i here is minus 4i square, or we can write it as plus 4. Plus of 4 here, so plus 2i cancel out with minus of 2i here. So this one is 4 and 1, 9. 4, 1 and 5. 4 and 1 equals to 5. 5 plus 4 equals to 9, which is equals to 1 here. So this one is implying mod of A square equals to 1 by 3 here. So mod of A can be written as here square root both sides. This one is 1 by 3 here. So the normalized wave function psi is equals to, wave function psi is equals to 1 by 3, 1 minus of 2i and 2 here. And the next question is part B here. In the part B, asking that here, if the measure Sz of the electron, what is the value would you get with what probabilities, and show the calculation here. So for the next part here, if we measure Sz, the probability is getting, the probability of getting the h by 2 state is equals to mod of A square, which is equals to 1 minus of 2i divided by 3 square here. So by simplifying this here, we can write it as here, when we squaring this term here, 1 plus 4 divided by here 9, which is equals to 5 by 9. And the probability of getting h by 2 state equals to b square, which is equals to 2 by 3 square, which is equals to 4 by 9 here. This one is solution for the part B. Similarly for the part C, if we measure Sx of the electron, what is the value you get, what the probabilities here. So as here Sx, the probability of getting h by 2 state is equals to here 1 by 2 into mod of a plus b is whole square, which is equals to 1 by 2 into mod of 1 minus 2i plus 2 by 3 square here. This one equals to 1 by 2 into 3 minus of 2i by 3 square here. So by simplifying this one is 1 by 2 here, 9 plus 4 divided by 9 here. This one equals to 13 by 18 here. So one probability is getting, so the one probability of getting h by 2 state equals to 1 by 2 into a minus of b square, which is equals to 1 by 2 mod of a minus of 2i minus 2 divided by complete term with 3 square here. So minus of 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 minus 2i divided by 3 mod square here. So this one equals to 1 by 2, 1 plus 4 by 9 here. So this one equals to 5 by 18 here. Now come to the last part here, find the exceptions value of Sz here. Next one is for the D part. B part is equals to, if the measure is Sy, what the electron, what will the probability you get here. So as here, if we measure Sy, the probability of getting of getting h by 2 state is equals to here 1 by 2 a minus of iota b square here, which is equals to 1 by 2 1 minus of 2i minus of 2i divided by 3 square here. So by simplifying this we get here 17 by 18 here, and the probability of getting h by 2 state is equals to minus h by 2 state is equals to here 1 by 2 a plus iota b square here, which is equals to 1 by 2 mod of 1 minus 2i plus 2i's divided by 3 square here. So this one equals to 1 by 18 here, and the fifth and last part here, the expectation value of Sz equals to Sz of state plus h by 2 plus of Sz of state minus of h by 2, which is equals to 5 by 9 into h by 2 minus of h by 4 by h by 2 into 4 by 9 here, which is equals to 1 by 9 h by 2 here, which is equals to h by 18 here. Thank you.